So why do we use additive manufacturing? It's a very recent technology and its benefits are still being explored today, but one of the major benefits of the technology which are being used in the industry right now are in the design and engineering applications. So one of the major advantages of the technology is that it enables a faster time to market. The production technology is readily available when you have a printer and when you have the knowledge how to do the printing of a component. And during already early design stages of your component and during prototyping of your component, during the testing of new designs or customized features of a component, you can already have it printed and then test those advantages of your, or potential advantages of your design in a very early stage of the product development. So that enables a faster and more flexible production and also development of new products, and can then be leveraged also as a more efficient way to get a new component into the market, or even have an old component individualized, customized or optimized. And lastly, there is a very specific benefit of the technology being used in service industries. For example, the replacement or repair of older industrial products, where maybe supply chains are falling apart, or maybe where components are not regularly being used or needed. Additive manufacturing can be used for on-demand production of those kinds of applications.